Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna do an awesome, fun activity for kids. So we're gonna help them start some seeds. So this is a perfect activity to do with pretty much all age groups. And obviously, the older the kid, the more involved they can be. All right, you ready, Harlow? Yeah? Okay. So we're gonna take a cardboard egg carton, some soil, and some seeds. So, Harlow, today we're gonna be planting some green beans. You ready? Okay. So, ready? First, we're gonna take the carton. Can I see it? Thank you. Okay. Do you want to help me scoop some dirt into the carton? Okay, so I'm gonna scoop some dirt. Okay, do you want to pour it in there? Yeah. Oh, good job. Good job. You want to do more? Okay, here, scoop it. Okay, can you pour it? Good job. Okay. So here, you want to help me spread this around? Can you go like this, Harlow? Good job. Yeah, we're spreading it around. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit more dirt in there, okay, baby? Just a little bit. Oh, you want to do it? Okay. Oh, thank you. Good job. Good job. All right, a little more dirt. Okay. Okay, now you want to help me finish spreading this around? Okay, take your finger and go like that. Good job. Good job. Alright, so now that we've got our dirt all spread around in here, we're going to take our seeds that we're going to plant, and we're just going to open them up. Okay. See these seeds, Harlow? We're going to put those in there. Oh, good job. Yeah, so we're just going to sprinkle the seeds in there. There you go. Put some seeds in there. You want to put some more in? Okay. There we go, some more seeds. So we'll sprinkle these around the egg carton. And then we're going to take our scoop. Ready? And we're just going to take a little bit more dirt and just kind of sprinkle it on top. You want to do some more sprinkling? No? Okay, here, I'll do it. Okay, now you do? Okay. There you go. Good job. Alright, so now that we have all of our dirt spread around, now all we got to do is water it. So this is an awesome activity. The kids can watch these seeds grow, and then once they're ready, you can actually cut these egg cartons apart to separate them out individually, and then just plant these right into your garden. So anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos for activities you can do with kids, definitely let me know. She has a lot of fun doing this, and I do too. So definitely hit that like button, that comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Harlow, say bye-bye. Good job.